So whiteboard is visible, बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are.
Okay. So before starting the chapter, sequence and series. Chapter, sequence, and series. This is the chapter name, right? Sequence and series. You may have studied sequence and series a little bit in class 10. In class 10, you have done AP, right? So in AP, you studied arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, you did various questions related to general term hota tha, and there was sum of terms, falana, D, A, sab. So in class 11th, we won't just limit ourselves to AP. We will be moving to GP, geometric progression, or if there's time left with the revision, I will also help you out with the HP, that is harmonic progression, which is very important for IIT exams and other competition exams. Okay, harmonic progression is in science as well. In physics chapter, you can see harmonic progression. So in this chapter, we will be dealing with AP and GP only. So before coming to the exercise, I want to clear the concept of sequence and what is series. Okay, so let me take a different color here. Okay. The sequence is basically, let me take an example. Suppose I have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this thing right here is my sequence. So why this thing is a sequence? Because sequence is something which has some order kind of a thing to it, right? So this has order. This has one difference. This also have one difference. This also have one difference. This also have one difference. So that is a sequence. So what will be our series then? Series is nothing but a sum of sequence. So it can be said as summation of sequence. So if I write this sequence as in this form, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So now I have written a series here. Okay, it's a series. Is it clear the difference between sequence and series? Yes.
Yes, we are.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we can also use the term sigma. We often use the term sigma in bigger classes. Okay, sigma means summation only. Okay, sigma means summation. So that was our title of the chapter. So coming to the first exercise, I don't think in exercise 9.1 there is something difficult. Still, I will help you out with few questions as much as I can. So let's start with exercise 9.1. School में chapter finish हो गया, right?
Yes, we are.
So you three are in the same section. Let us just introduce ourselves first. Roshan, you are in science, right?
No, sir.
No,
Commerce.
we are. He's in commerce.
Commerce. And you have taken core maths, right? This maths only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Vivek, you are in commerce, science.
Yes, we are science.
Science. तुमने वैसे पहले पढ़ा है शायद, I guess. I don't know.
हाँ पढ़ा है पहले.
पढ़ा है ना? Which class you have studied?
हाँ. भैया हो गई 8th 7th 8th शायद.
It was quite familiar. Your face was quite familiar. How you mean? Everything good?
हाँ भैया सब बढ़िया.
चलो good, बढ़िया. So it's nice कि I'm meeting my old students here. So बढ़िया क्या होगा? चलो ठीक है. So the first question is write first 5 terms of each of the sequence in exercise 1 to 6 whose nth term are this. Okay. So what we are given is we are given a general term. What we have to tell first 5 terms. It's very easy. It's like कि तुम्हें सब कुछ ढा के दे दिया है, बस थोड़ा सा solve कर दो. This is our question. First 5 terms. First 5 terms means just put the value of n1. So this will be first term here. So 1 plus 2, this is 1 times 3, that is 3. If we have a2 here, we will just put the value of n as 2 here. We will get 2 plus 2. So this will be 2 times 4, that is 8. Now n is 3, this is a3 then. You're getting the point that this is nothing but a simple question that we have to find. This is the third term. This is our second term. This is our first term. And in the similar fashion, we can find the fourth term.
Excuse me, Via.
बोलो बच्चे.
Via, I'm facing some types of issues that I'm not able to rotate my screen.
Okay, you're not able to rotate your screen. Why do you need to rotate your screen?
Where to get a larger view? ऐसे बहुत छोटा
Okay,
सा दिख
so
रहा है.
thing is
Screen
just
rotate ही नहीं कर पा रहा अपना.
okay. Thing is just view this point. This red thing is also not visible.
No, sir,
it's
visible.
visible, but it's visible है, but थोड़ा छोटा सा है. वही मैं कह रहा था.
So you can do one thing. You can next time से laptop में try करना. So what will happen? तुम्हें बड़ी भी screen दिखेगी, ठीक है? अभी screen इससे बड़ी तो हो नहीं सकती. I am making it full screen actually, ठीक है? So next time laptop से करना, उससे ज़्यादा visible होगा तुम्हारा, ठीक है? अभी तुम मोबाइल से कर रहे होगे maybe, right? So laptop में you can also record.
डेली मोबाइल से करता.
हाँ, तो वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. अच्छा, स्क्रीन उसमें भी छोटी दिख रही है डेली करते हो तो.
यस भैया डेली तो सही दिखती है. डेली मतलब मैं फोन को रोटेट करके एंगल इसका चेंज कर रहा हूं, लेकिन आज ये चेंज नहीं हो रहा बिल्कुल भी.
क्या रुको एक सेकंड, मैं फिर से शेयर कर देता हूँ. फिर दैट मस्ट बी अ प्रॉब्लम विद द डिवाइस. चलो देखो जितना कोप अप कर सकते हो. अगर नहीं आता तो फिर आई विल रिपीट. Also this video is being recorded. You can also get this video in the group. Okay. So
Okay भैया.
A4 is 24 because we are lagging behind in your syllabus, and I want to make sure that you revise all the chapters before your exam. Now coming to the A5th term. So we'll put the value of n here 5. This will be 5 plus 2. What I am doing is I am just putting the value of 1 to 5 in this formula. So we are getting 5 times 7, that is 35. So this question is very easy. Is it clear, this question? First, second, third, fourth, fifth term? Right.
Yes, sir.
There is nothing difficult in this. Okay. Let's go to the second one, and I want you people to find these five terms. Sorry. So let's find out the first 5 terms. Can you tell me the first term here? It will be yeah. The value
1
of
by
n
2.
will be
1
1.
upon 2.
1 upon 2. Very good. The second term will be 2 upon. This will be
2 upon 3.
2 plus
2.3.
1. Very good. So it's very easy, and I don't think there is any problem with this. This is 3 by 3 plus 1, that is 3 by 4. And in the similar fashion, we can find out all the 5 terms here. All the 5 terms here. I'm helping this out. Why? Because I think there is always, it's a good idea to start with the basics always before moving with the difficult part. 5 by 6. So this is difficult. So I guess these questions can be done by yourself, right? These questions, I'm putting this question and this question for myself. I'm going to solve these questions because this may create some confusion while solving. Okay? So let's just go to this question number 5. So अभी स्कूल में मैथ्स में फिर रिवीजन हो रहा है या फिर न्यू चैप्टर्स करा रहे हैं?
सर ट्रिग्नोमेट्री चल रही है.
ट्रिग्नोमेट्री रिवीजन चल रही है फिर से?
No भैया रिवीजन में चैप्टर ही कंप्लीट.
जब से ट्रिग्नोमेट्री हुआ ही नहीं है. तुमने मेरे को बताया था आयुष कि ट्रिग्नोमेट्री चल रहा है.
यस भैया बीच में भी यूटी स्टार्ट हो गए थे ना, इसलिए मैथ्स का काफी टाइम पीरियड नहीं हो पा रहा है, इसलिए भी अभी कंटिन्यू हो रहा है.
अरे बड़ी दिक्कत हो जाएगी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में तुम्हारे. बीच में ब्रेक नहीं होना चाहिए ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. चलो तो मैं क्या करूंगा, जब सेकंड सीरीज तो मैं भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री से लूंगा ताकि तुम्हारा और अच्छा हो जाएगा फिर स्ट्रॉन्ग. a n is equal to -1 की पावर n. This is n minus 1, right? And this is, just erase this, 5n plus 1. Okay, the first term. चलो तुम लोग बताओ फर्स्ट टर्म क्या होगा इसमें. बहुत ध्यान से देखना. Yes, this will be 1 minus 1. Power will be 1 minus 1. This will be 1 plus 1. So it is -1 raised to power what? Yeah.
0.
0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1,
1.
obviously. 5 square, and that is 5 square is 25. So I guess this question is also easy. I thought there may be some confusion because of this power, but there is absolutely no confusion. So this is 2 plus 1. So this is -1 raised to power 1 and 5 raised to power 3. So this will be -1 and 125, which will be -125. So in the similar fashion, you can find these and this as well. This is not difficult. Okay. Okay, so we are done with question number 5. Question number 6 can also be done in the similar fashion. Now, what we have to do is find the indicated terms in each of the sequences 7 to 10 whose nth terms are these. So we have nth term. Now we don't have to find the first 5 terms. Instead, we have to find the 17th term and 24th term. So we will just put the value of n here. Okay. Okay. Disconnect. Okay. He will just come back. So हम यहाँ पे n की वैल्यू 17 डाल देंगे एक बार और एक बार 24. तो ये टाइप के क्वेश्चन जो है फर्स्ट 10 क्वेश्चंस I am leaving to you people, ठीक है? Because this can easily be done. If these can be done, then you can't move with the forward questions, the difficult part. Okay? So कर लोगे या फिर करवाने की जरूरत है बताओ?
इस सर कर लेंगे, हो
कर
जाएगा।
लेंगे ना? कि टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते। यहाँ से मैं कराता हूँ। अब देखो मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 से 11 जो है ये करवा रहा हूँ क्योंकि ये थोड़ी डिफरेंट है और 14th वाला तो मेरा पर्सनल फेवरेट है, फिबोनाची सीरीज है, फिबोनाची भी कहते हैं इसको, आई डोंट नो हाउ इट्स प्रोनाउंस्ड. Okay, there is a very good history behind Fibonacci sequence actually. Fibonacci sequence is this. Before coming to this question, this thing here is actually Fibonacci series. If you remember the guy Ramanujan, okay, Ramanujan का तुम्हारे applied maths में इस वजह से तो Ramanujan used to say that I can find like sequence in everything. I can find maths in everything. So actually everything is made up of Fibonacci series. How? Fibonacci series is actually this, that everything starts at certain point, then this starts, then it gets started, then it moves on. Even your hair, तुम्हारे hair में, तुम्हारे sand में, तुम्हारे flower में, सब में तुम्हें Fibonacci series दिख जाएगी और nature में भी है Fibonacci series. It's so beautiful. एक और मैं दिखाता हूँ Fibonacci series actually में है क्या. जैसे Fibonacci series ये है. जैसे मैंने 0 लिया, फिर 1 लिया, 0 1 को ऐड किया, I get 1. 1 and 1 को ऐड किया, I get 2. 1 and 2 को ऐड किया, I get 3. 2 और 3 को ऐड किया, I get 5. So रियल लाइफ में कैसे वर्क करता है एक्चुअली, ऐसे वर्क करता है. To start with your life, to move ahead, you have to do certain kind of कर्म कहते हैं ना हिंदी में, कर्म करना पड़ेगा कुछ. जब तक कुछ कर्म नहीं करोगे तो आगे फल नहीं मिलेगा. और जैसे you will start doing some work, so you will get results and you will get more results, you will get better results, and that's how it works. So it's very beautiful, the Fibonacci series. We are taught this in our maths honors. Okay, so let's come to our question instead. So we have the Fibonacci sequence is defined by A1 as well as A2 is equal to 1. This means that A1 is equal to 1 and A2 is as well equal to 1. Okay, so this is given. Let me take another color. And we have an is equal to an minus 1 plus an minus 2. Okay, so we have a general term formula here. That is an minus 1 plus an minus 2. This actually means that this term will be 1 more than and 2 more than this. अभी मैं इसको और क्लियर करूंगा. जैसे यहाँ पे n ग्रेटर देन 2 लेना, ऑब्वियसली n ग्रेटर देन 2 होगा क्योंकि भाई दो टर्म तो दे दिए n में कि फर्स्ट हमारा 1 है और सेकंड भी 1 है. We will have to move ahead with the n greater than 2. ठीक है, तो देखो अब मैं निकालने जा रहा हूँ. उसके बाद ये तो निकालेंगे, ठीक है, मतलब n हमें 5 तक यूज करना है. So let's use n is equal to 3 because n should be greater than 2 because we are given with 1 and 2. If n is greater than 2, n is equal to 3, let's put 3 here. So n minus 1, that implies 1 less. N minus 2, that implies 2 less. And we already have A2, that is 1. We already have A1, that is 1 again. So this is 2. So I get my A3 as 2. Is this clear? Okay, how do we came about A3? Yes.
Yes, bro.
Okay. So suppose if n is equal to 4, why I'm finding n up to 5? Because I need it in the question later on. N is equal to 4. So n is equal to 4 is actually A4. So how will I write this here? What will be the equation here? Batao. This will be what? Try yourself.
Hello. Yes,
Yeah. This will be what? A4 will be equal to, just like this, A4 will be equal to? Use this equation. Yeah. A 1 less than it is A4 से एक कम कितना होगा?
3.
A3
Very easy.
plus A2.
Then दो कम मतलब A2. So A3 we already have A3, that is 2. A2 we already have 1.
Plus 1. A4 is equal to 3. Got it, great.
Now let's take n is equal to 5. If n is equal to 5, the equation will be what? Yeah. Vivek Roshan. What will be the equation? Yeah.
A4
A4 plus
plus A3.
A3. Good.
A3.
So yeah, we got this question then.
3 plus 2.
3
5.
plus 3 plus 2, right? A3 is 2, so this will be 5. Okay. So A5 is 5. Now let's stop here and let's do the question now. Okay. The question is saying don't find Fibonacci sequence. पूरा निकालते मत चलो, बस ये निकालो. an plus 1 an. Okay. So what we let me clear some path here so that I have space for my question.
सर समझ नहीं आया, थोड़ा पीछे.
अभी बता दूं. देखो हमें इस क्वेश्चन में ये कहा है कि तुम्हें an plus 1 upon an निकालना है जब n की वैल्यू 5 तक है, ठीक है. और उसने फर्स्ट टर्म दे रखा है 1, सेकंड टर्म भी 1 दे रखा है और जनरल टर्म इससे दिखा रखा है. तो हमने जनरल टर्म से निकाल लिए 5 तक मैंने, ठीक है. मे बी और ज्यादा यूज हो, आई डोंट नो, आई विल ट्राई कितना यूज होता है. तो पहले एक बार क्वेश्चन देखो, मे बी लेटर ऑन क्लियर हो जाएगा अपने आप. तो सबसे पहले n इक्वल टू 1 के लिए निकालते हैं इस चीज को, an plus 1 upon an. So an plus 1 means a2 upon what? A1. So a2 upon a1. A2 was what? 1 and a1 was 1 again. So 1 upon 1 is 1. So my answer for n is equal to 1 for this part is 1. इतना clear हुआ?
Yes sir.
ठीक है. Now n is equal to 2. Let's take n is equal to 2. So this will be a3 plus 1 because, and this will be a2. a3 was, देखो मैंने पहले निकाल लिया था इसलिए. a3 is 2. A3 is 2, okay, and A2 is 1. So we have 2 upon 1, that is 2. So my second for N2 is 2. If I have N is equal to 3, why I am taking N is equal to 3? I have to go up till 5. So this will be A4 by A3. A4 by A3. N plus 1 or N. So A4, we did find A4, yeah, it's 3. And A3 is actually 2. Very nice. So this is 3 by 2. Okay. This is 3 by 2. A3 is 2, right? Let me check. Yes. So let's check n is equal to 4. If n is equal to 4, then A4 by, sorry, it's A5, n plus 1. A5 by A4. This will be A5. We did find A5 as well. That is 5. And A4 was 3. So this will be 5 by 3. And the last part, that is n5. Now see, we need a6 as well, right? देखो a6 भी चाहिए. That means we need to find a6 as well. No issue here. Let's find a6. So n is equal to 6. A6 will be a5 plus a4. So this will be 5 plus 3. That is 8. So a6 is actually 8. Let's use it here. That is a6 is 8 and a5 was 5. So this will be 8 by 5. So I have my 5 terms for this part. That is 1, 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 3, and 8 by 5. Instead of finding it before, you can also find it when it is required. ठीक है, I have no issues with it. मैं पहले इसलिए निकाल रहा था ताकि तुम लोगों को और easy लगे. Is it clear? Should I repeat it? I can repeat it if you want. Yeah. Is it clear?
Yes, we have.
ठीक है.
Yes
कोई
sir.
doubt है तो पूछ सकते हो. So this is our Fibonacci sequence for this one. So this one is clear. Let's do one more question before we move to the next concept, that is arithmetic progression, where we will be revising 10th concept. And in this video, we will be revising the basics, which is very important for this chapter. Okay. In the similar fashion, we can do these questions now. We have these. Okay. One more thing. In the question, it is saying write the first 5 terms. Okay, we have found out the first 5 terms. It's 11 to 13. Okay. This is the explicit one. We don't have to use this for this. Okay. 11 से 13 के लिए apply है. तो A1 3, AN ये दे रखा है n greater than 1 के लिए. ठीक है. इधर ले लेते हैं. A1 is 3 and AN is 3AN minus 1 plus 2. Now see what we have to find. We have to find the sequence and the series. यहाँ पे बच्चे बहुत कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. सीक्वेंस का मतलब हम बस कॉमा डाल के लिख देंगे, सीरीज का मतलब बस प्लस कर देंगे, तो और कुछ नहीं है इसमें, और वो भी फर्स्ट 5. तो फर्स्ट वन तो गिवन है, दैट इज 3. सेकंड वन विल बी 3an minus 1. दिस इज फॉर्मूला इज गिवन एक्चुअली इन द क्वेश्चन. So n minus 1, that is a1 plus 2. 3 times 3 plus 2 is actually what? 11. So A3 will be 3A2 plus 2. That will be 3 times 11 plus what? 2. That will be 35. And A4 will be 3 times A3 plus 2. That will be 3 times 35 plus 2. And 3 times 35 is 15. 3 to 9, 105 plus 2. That is 107. And A5, A4 plus 2. So this will be 3 times 107 plus 2. I know there is calculation, but you need to do the calculation. Okay, 7, 3 is 21. There is 2 here. 321 plus 2, that is 323. So we have first 5 terms here. Now this is my sequence actually that we just found out. This is my sequence. This is my sequence. What will be the series then? Series will be, बताओ क्या होगी
3
series
plus
इसकी?
11 plus 35.
You just put
3
the
plus
sign.
11 plus 35
So it's
plus
very
107
easy, right?
plus 323.
Clear है ये वाला question भी?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear
clear.
है.
ठीक है. तो देखो, I have cleared the types here. These questions are given for your practice now. You have to do your own practice. If there is any doubt, you can ask later on. Okay. The difficult question we have discussed in the class. This question we have done. A type of this question we have done. A type of 2-3 types we have done here. All these are similar. So first exercise is done from my part. Okay. Later on you have to try. Now I'm coming to the most important part here. That is the basics for next exercise. देखो, later on the chapter we will be dealing with AP, arithmetic mean, geometric mean, GP, and whatnot, and spatial series. Yeah, spatial series, my favorite part. Okay. These 5 topics we will cover. Today I'm doing the basics for AP, which we have already done in class 10. So it will be very easy for you. Let's come to the AP then. So AP is what basically, let me take a sequence here. Let me take
भैया
one.
स्पेशल सीरीज इस बार एग्जाम से डिलीटेड है.
तुम लोगों का तो हलवा बना दिया मैथ्स के लिए. हाँ, ये डिलीटेड है, बाइनोमियल डिलीटेड है, पता नहीं क्या क्या डिलीट कर दिया. अरे स्पेशल सीरीज कितना इंटरेस्टिंग है, इसके बिना कैसे करोगे भाई तुम? हैं, मतलब इट्स लाइक कि पढ़ाने का.
आपने बोला मेरा फेवरेट स्पेशल सीरीज, मैंने तभी
हाँ.
बोल दिया डिलीटेड है.
बाइनोमियल भी मेरा काइंड ऑफ थोड़ा सा फेवरेट है वैसे तो, लेकिन ठीक है चलो, नहीं आ रहा तो नहीं करेंगे. स्पेशल सीरीज इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि
भैया आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, मैं मैम के सामने बैक कर रहा था, मैम प्लीज बाइनोमियल थ्योरम का एग्जाम ले लो, मुझे बड़ा मजा आएगा देने में.
कोई नहीं, कोई
नहीं, डिलीटेड है तो क्यों
वी
करेंगे.
विल डू वन थिंग ना, वी विल डू वन थिंग. मैं तुम लोगों को एक दिन ना, किस दिन दिखाऊंगा ग्रेजुएशन के बाद वाली मैथ्स या फिर 12th के कॉम्पिटिटिव लेवल वाली मैथ्स. उसमें तुम्हें दिखाऊंगा बाइनोमियल सीरीज यूज होता है एक्चुअली से. तो अगर जब हमारा सिलेबस कवर हो जाएगा, जो चैप्टर नहीं आ रहे वो भी मैं तुम्हें करवाऊंगा होपफुली. तो चलो, तो अभी एपी देखते हैं. वी हैव 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So this is my, okay, this is series or sequence?
सीरीज भैया.
Series, sure.
नहीं सीक्वेंस सॉरी.
सीक्वेंस, ठीक है. तो चैप्टर का टाइटल तो क्लियर रहना है पहले. तो अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन also means sequence. Okay, that is the same. So okay, so let's do the AP thing then. This first thing here is called first term, denoted by A. This is called first term in AP. I don't know why it's denoted by A, but it's denoted by A. Okay. Then we have common difference. Common difference, as the name suggests, something common to all. There is one common to all, one difference to all, right? As you can observe here. So D is actually common difference, common to everything. And it actually makes sense that difference starts with D, so it must be D, maybe. So D, there is a formula for D as well, that just subtract an minus 1 from an. That implies you can subtract a2 minus a1 because second term is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it's absolutely correct. D is 1. You can also subtract a3 minus a2. You will again get 1. a4 minus a3. a5 minus a4. Are you getting my point? So D is actually an minus an minus. But this is my formula here. Next thing is general term. General term, or also called last term, and we denote it by an. So this general term have a formula that is a plus n minus 1.
A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D.
Ab dekho, this formula is actually, why did it came about? Let's check this formula actually works or not. Okay, let me find the fourth term for this series. It should be 4. Absolutely correct. It should be 4, right? If it is 4, this formula is not applicable then. Okay, let's apply this formula. The first term is here. It's 1. So I'm putting the value of 1 here. N, we have to find the fourth term. So I will put the value 4 here, 4 minus 1. And D is again 1. So let me put the value of D. So 1 plus 4 minus 1 is 3 times 1. That is 1 plus 3, that is 4. So A4 is 4, which is actually very correct because the fourth term is 4. So this formula works. Is this clear?
Absolutely.
General term. So you don't have to mug up anything. It's just the formula for general term. A plus n minus 1d. General term, it is also applicable. हमने देख लिया. एक ही series पे हम सारा work कर रहे हैं. एक ही sequence पे. Sorry, I made the same mistake. Okay. तो एक ही sequence पे हम सारा work कर रहे हैं. कभी भी टीचर अगर क्लास में ये बोल दे मैम सीरीज है तो बोल देना मैम सीरीज नहीं सीक्वेंस है, फिर पता चलेगा मैम का बेसिक्स कितना है. ठीक है, चलो तो ये हो गया. उसके बाद we will deal with another concept. The last term also is denoted by a plus n minus 1d. Yes, the last term is also denoted by a plus n minus 1d. And why is that so? Let me just put it here. Last term is 8, right? So if I just use last term a is 1, n minus 1. So n will be 8 because the last term d is what, 1. So this will be 1 plus 7 times 1, that is 8. So last term is again 8. So last term का फॉर्मूला भी यही होता है और फर्स्ट टर्म का भी फॉर्मूला यही होता है. बहुत कंफ्यूजन करते हैं बच्चे. सर लास्ट टर्म का फॉर्मूला ये और जनरल टर्म का भी. हाँ है, यही है. क्वेश्चंस जब आएंगे और क्लियर होगा. ठीक है, अब देखो इसका बहुत ही अमेजिंग कंसेप्ट जो है सम अप टू n टर्म्स फॉर्मूला. Sum up to n terms. The sum up to n terms formula is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d, or we have another formula n by 2 a plus l. अब ये कैसे आया वो देखते हैं पहले. a plus l कैसे आया ये भी समझा देते हैं. 2a, can I write 2a as a plus a? We can obviously because a
Yes,
plus
sir.
a is 2a. Now this a plus n minus 1d was the formula for the last term. Yes, it was a formula for the last term. So I can rewrite
sir.
it
Yes,
as n by 2 a plus l. So this is my formula. Another formula for sum of n terms. So we have derived the formula actually here. So now this formula here, how applicable is this formula? Let's check. I have to find the sum up to, let me check, 5 terms. Okay, so 5 plus 4 is 9. I am doing it by arithmetic first. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So sum up to 5 terms is 15. If this formula works, the sum should be 15. Let's just check sum up to 5 terms. This n signifies up to which term you are calculating the sum. So this will be 5 by 2, 2a. A was first term, that was 1. N minus 1, 5 minus 1, and d is again 1. So 5 by 2, 2 plus, this is 4 times 1. So this will be 5 by 2. 2 plus 1 is, 2 plus 4 is 6. This will cancel out with 3. So we are left with 15, which is absolutely correct, right? So it also works. So the sum formula is absolutely correct. That is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Another formula is this. Let's see this formula works or not. Okay, this will be interesting. So it became thick. Okay. Let me just do this again. Let me erase this. Okay, let us check this formula works or not for our calculation. N by 2, sum up to 5 terms. So this is 5 by 2. A is 1 and the last term is 8, right? So let's put 8 here. 5 by 2. Okay, are we doing any mistake here? 9. Okay, this is not correct. What happened here? Let me see. 1, 2, 3.
हाँ भैया
4.
आपने लास्ट टर्म यहाँ पे 5 लिया था, यहाँ पे इस हिसाब से लास्ट टर्म 5 होना
Okay,
चाहिए.
हाँ, okay, we made this mistake. Okay, so we are actually covering up to this part, right? So last term here will be this only. So we will take last term as what? 5, not 8, obviously. So this will be 15. So this is actually the last term. So that's why it works. So make sure if you are taking up to this term, obviously the last term will be this, ये तो आएगा नहीं, including होगा. So this is our formulas. I am recapping it once. The general formula is a plus n minus 1d. Also the formula for last term. Sum up to n terms is n by 2a plus n minus 1d or क्या है बताओ formula?
n by 2 into
n by 2 a plus l.
A plus L. Good.
L.
Okay. What if I tell you that there is another formula for general term actually? This general term, there is another formula for. देखो ये वाली चीज मैं एक साथ इसलिए बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि लेटर ऑन जब हम चैप्टर करेंगे तुम्हारे लिए बहुत इजी होने वाला है. देखो एक्चुअली जनरल टर्म के लिए एक और फॉर्मूला होता है. दिस इज Sn minus 1. This is my formula. Now see, this actually works. We have A4.
Yes, ये 10th में था.
Okay, this was actually a derivation. Okay, this was a question and we are using it as a form. A4. So this must be S4 minus S3. Okay, so A4 must be 4. Okay, S4 अभी मैं फॉर्मूले से नहीं वैसे ही जनरली बता दे रहा हूँ. S4 कहाँ तक है? 4 3 7 7 3 is 10 minus S3 3 plus 2 is 5 5 plus 1 is 6. So this is 4. So A4 is 4. So that means this is another formula. So if you have to find general term, you can use this formula as well, but only when sum up to some certain thing is given. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, we are.
We
Yes.
have one more formula for general term, Sn minus 1. Okay, so I'm not gonna complicate things now. So these are my formulas. If there were more formulas, we will deal with the chapter itself. So for now, I'm keeping it till here so that it doesn't make things complicated because Shivans is also missing all this stuff. I know it's recorded, but later on recorded इतना बढ़िया नहीं होता जितना original होता है. ठीक है, तो tomorrow मतलब Monday will be doing second exercise and hopefully next week से पहले we will finish the chapter and we will start with sets then. Okay, चलो तो we will keep this till here. Good evening then. Okay.
Good evening, भैया.
Good evening.
good evening भैया.
Okay, sir. Good evening.
भैया
हाँ बोलो बच्चे.
भैया टाइमिंग के लिए पूछ रहा था. मंडे को क्या
Timing will be 6 to 7. Okay, I am fixing the timing only because of you. ठीक है.
Okay, thank you भैया.
हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक है.
खुश हो गया.
7 ठीक है. I want to like कि मैंने पूछा बच्चों से जब भी करा है. ठीक है. साइंस का जो एक बैच होता है वो they were comfortable. That's why it happened. Okay, you are lucky. Okay, चलो. So this happened. We will take class on Monday now. चलो. Okay, bye.
Okay, भैया.